a lot of stuff right here. I don't know how much of it's grass. But...
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Damn it. He needed another second. Oh, I knew there was one up there. He needed another second. They always do. Oh, jeez. Are you ready for this? Calling my shot. There's a bass back in there. This is a really good lane. Got him. Oh. That was such a good fish. Did you see that thing?
Oh, I did.
That was like a 3. Oh, that was perfect from start to finish until he came off. Yeah, he crushed that thing. Oh my God. That was nuts. Yeah, they must not see a lot of frogs over here, I'm guessing. Granted, that was as good as I could walk a frog. I stuck that fish too.
Oh yeah, I saw the rod. I don't know.
When they get it, they don't let go of it. I think because it feels. Oh, that doesn't help things. Guess I should have left some water in it. I knew there was one in that little cut. I kept seeing him. I need to catch a fish, but I don't know how I put this thing down after that. That was interesting.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm stuck. Oh, it's moving. It's really moving. That's a bass. Not a huge one. I mean, not for what it looked like he was gonna be, but not bad. Yeah, there goes my worm. Oh yeah, he's definitely 12. Typically, it's kind of the heavy bait, really heavy patches. I like to move it a ton and then just kill it. Oh my God. That was a good fish.
I know it.
I don't know how that one didn't have it.
I don't know how he didn't have it either. It was.
I cannot believe that. I mean, we're not near anything right. I know there's a patch right here, but he was way out off of it. Going there with the drop shot real quick. Get my payback. I really want to catch one on the frog now just because we've already had 2 bites. It's like we've had more bites on the frog than anything else, which is really weird. Yeah. Oh.
The white was appearing, so obviously he did have the back, but
Got him that time. Now.
Oh yeah, look at that thing.
That is how you catch him on the frog. Oh, he spit it. That looks like a pond fish right there.
Oh, look at that baby.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
On the frog. That's the first one. That's the first one that's held on to it. He was right where he was supposed to be too. That's, I don't know, 2, 3. He's been eating though.
Yeah, the frog.
These bullfrogs up here have had to deal with this guy. See you, buddy. That was awesome. Oh, he bent me. So I don't even think he crushed that one down. I think he just pushed it over. Either way, I got a good hook in him. All right, I put a little bit of water in it that time. If you get the big lob cast, it'll just do that. It'll hit harder and a little bit of water will go in it every time. So if you just like, that was awful. Not that. Don't do that. I threw it up there right by that stick. I was moving that one like that frog was on a mission to live. Well, the one good thing for the Cinco is all of our frog bites have come out. None of them have been deep in it like I thought they would.
Well, my problem is I think
Yeah, the grass is really thick. It makes it tough to drop shot it. I will say though, the thing I think I'm the happiest about is the fact that we got 2 bites on this little kind of do nothing section of grass. All right, that's where the other one was. Oh, there's one down here. I know for a fact there's one down here. I just saw something crush bait right on the edge of this grass. So, not 5-pounder blow up in the grass, but like the roll where you see the bait leave. All right, it's pretty much flat. That's all we can ask for. It's flat, it's hot, it's cloudy. They gotta be eating the frog. It's harder to do anything with it with the more water in it, because when it walks, it does it under the surface, but it gives them a much bigger target. Because when I put that last one, I put water in it, and when he hit it, I got him. Now, that might not have had any impact, but I kind of just squish water out of it as a habit, and I really shouldn't, just because I think sometimes it does help. Problem is, other times it overfills it. Ah! That's right where that one was. Jeez. I mean, when I put this thing on, I was hopeful that one might roll on it, like in a trip. I was not expecting 4 bites on a shore. I was kind of kidding about that earlier. The one good thing though is frogs are getting worn in. They come up and hit it like that, it softens them up just a little bit, like a Cinco. The pro guys swear by boiling them to get the plastics off there. I don't know about that. If I keep missing them though, I might have to try it. Oh, there's one up there.